How to recover deleted Telegram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can recover your deleted Telegram account. Now, Telegram account deletion is irreversible. Therefore, you cannot recover your Telegram messages channel, group, multimedias, and contact. However, Telegram allows you to create a new account with the same phone number and a user. Those banned from a platform can contact support team or to recover their account. In order to create an account, go ahead and install the application. After that, you need to open up your application. Once you do that, select the country of your resident. Now type in the phone number. After that, click on the arrow icon. Now you'll be asked to reconfirm your phone number. If sure, then click on the yes button, click on the continue button, and it's gonna ask you to allow all of these permission. Now go ahead and tap on the arrow icon once again. Now in order to confirm your account creation, you'll be asked to provide in the verification code. After that, type in the verification code, click on the continue button, enter in the name and then the last name as well, and click on the arrow icon right in the corner, and as you can see that the Telegram account has been created. So in this way you can create a Telegram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.